Dreaming of a career in film, television, or gaming? The Acting for Media program at George Brown is a dynamic 2-year diploma designed to prepare you for success in screen acting across multiple platforms. Master essential techniques in movement, voice, and script analysis while gaining hands-on experience with green screen technology, motion capture, and voiceover work. This program not only refines your craft, but also instills professionalism and industry standards, ensuring you're ready for the competitive world of acting. With actor recognition, graduates can apply for apprentice membership within a year, fast-tracking their careers. And with Toronto as your backdrop, you'll train in the heart of Canada's thriving film and theatre industry. Admission is competitive, with auditions and interviews ensuring a passionate and dedicated cohort. If you're ready to bring your talent to the screen, George Brown is where your journey begins.